Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. In today's video we are going to do 2022 bullet journal setup. So this is the journal which I am using and it is pastel pink color and it has journal kind of design on it. And our theme for the journal for 2022 is inspired by BTS and K-dramas. So watching K-dramas and all of that has helped me a lot in the previous year. So I thought I will keep it as a theme for the coming year. And now on the first page I am writing my name and I am drawing small little purple color hearts. So the pen which I am using for doing all of this is like Pentonic gel pens, like you get that in the stationery. So I am just using that normal pens and I am keeping the design very minimal and very simple because I don't know to draw very intricate design, and also I wanted to keep it simple so that I can also continue doing that. And now I am just drawing few leaves here and there. So this is the design. I just took a piece of paper, cut it in a random shape and just paste it over there, writing my name. So first page I have written my name and that's it, and the simple design, adding few dots here and there so that it look cute and also little more put together. So moving on to other page, now we will write the 2022. I wanted to keep it very simple and also I don't wanted to ruin the pages. So I am taking other pages from my previous year journal and then I will be just pasting them because I don't want to mess my new journal. So if something went wrong then we have to fix it. So I'm just using other paper and just pasting it so that work will be more simpler. And then I also adding few hearts, and this is the only design which I'm using, hearts and few dots with different colors and doing some calligraphy. That's it. I tried doing bullet journaling last year, but I was not very successful in doing that. I was procrastinating and lazy, but this year I decided that I will do it with my full passion in it. So this time we will going to rock it, and I'm going to upload this video for every month. Now I'm just sticking a picture and yeah, it looks cute, right? My theme is cute minimal design. That's it. On the next page we will write word of the year. So choosing one word that resonates with you for that year. So I'm sticking that and then I will do a little calligraphy there. I'm not very good at doing calligraphy, so I'm keeping it very simple, and it should not look like it is very simple, little bit of design but also simple with design. And the word which I choose is explore. So it's on that image, the word written is explore. So this year I want to explore more of things, more of new things, so I choose the word explore for that. Again with few purple hearts, yes, and some random design. So this whole journal process was very spontaneous. It was not planned at all. So I just drew and did any random things which I wanted to do and make use of all the things which I had. Now for the next page, choosing the quote. So our quote is, and one day she woke up and decided to live her life based on alignment, possibility and magic. So I resonated with this quote very much, so I thought I will just paste it there. And yeah, how it is. So this both pages for our bullet journal, word of the year and quote, are my favorite pages. I really loved making this. And simple our design. You can see I cannot make lines also straight, so I'm very bad at designing and all of that process. But I also love to do that, but I'm not good at that. Like, if that makes any sense, so that is how it is. Moving on to next page, so like for reference, I was watching few other videos and they made this kind of like, they call it door or something. So I was just trying to do that and I like messed with the ink here and there, but in the end it turned out good. So like doing the process, like cutting the 3 pages for the future lock, and here you can write your like stick all the months for future reference, and like putting on dates, appointment scheduling, for all that process that page is used. So like doing that and also making it little clear. Here also we could have like just written the numbers, but when writing number, like many a time it doesn't happen properly. So I just take a print of the calendar of 2022 and cut this out, and I'm just pasting them. So like I don't mess up with the dates, because last time when I did for one of the journal videos I did messed it up. So I didn't wanted to do that, so I'm just pasting it, like making the work more simpler and easy. And like this we will do for all the months and for whole 2022 year. Below you also get space to write everything for that month, like important things which you are having in that month, and it is easy to flip through in the journal and like see for the reference. And now the last 4 months, September, October, November and December. Watching this kind of videos are also very therapeutic, and like you feel very relaxed and at peace. And doing this also makes you like very relaxed, and you feel like you're doing some kind of activity, and it helps you to maintain like your whole process of the whole year. And it is good, like when you are unmotivated or you're feeling lost, you can come back to the journal and see. And now I'm just like writing and doing some doodling with like red pen and putting on dots to make it like more eye-catchy. And now moving on to other page. Also I am using planners, so like I don't have much of the pages like different activities, because they are already given in the planner. So like I'm just putting here other activities which are not given in the planner. So I will be using the journal like for doing that activities. On this page we will do new things to try. So there are many different new things which I always want to try, like different ideas come up to my mind, but then I forget that. So in this page I will write all the ideas and things which I want to try, so that I don't forget them and like I try to complete them. And just like making it more bold and putting on some more details. And on the next page we will do other fun activity, which is brain dump. So there are so many things on everyday basis which come to our mind. So I will be dumping everything here, because I don't want like my mind to get cluttered. So for that, this is the page which I will be using this year. Not this year, the coming year. So I will be using, and I'm just like making it more bold. And now going through the all. This is how my journal turned out. I just like, it is very simple, right? But it looks good, like not very bad for first time. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and bye.